How to make delicious homemade chicken Alfredo recipe. Welcome back to our channel, foodies. Today, we have a mouth-watering recipe in store for you. We're going to show you how to make a creamy and indulgent chicken Alfredo. So, let's get started. First, let's go over the ingredients you'll need to make this scrumptious chicken Alfredo. 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. 8 ounces of pasta noodles. 3 tablespoons of salted or unsalted butter. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Salt and pepper to taste. Chopped parsley for garnish. Preparing the chicken. We'll begin by cooking the chicken breasts. Season both sides with salt and pepper. Heat a pan over medium-high heat and melt 1 tablespoon of butter. Place the chicken breasts in the pan and cook for about 6 to 7 minutes on each side until they're cooked through and nicely browned. While the chicken is cooking, let's prepare our pasta. Boil a large pot of salted water and cook the fettuccine according to the package instructions until it reaches al dente. Drain the pasta and set it aside. In the same pan used for the chicken, melt the remaining butter over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and sauté for about 1 minute until fragrant. Be careful not to burn the garlic. Next, pour in the heavy cream and bring it to a gentle simmer. Stir it occasionally for about 2 to 3 minutes until it starts to thicken slightly. Now, add the grated Parmesan cheese and stir until it melts into a smooth sauce. Time to add our cooked chicken. Slice the chicken breasts into thin strips and add them to the sauce. Stir everything together to coat the chicken. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Place a generous serving of the fettuccine on a plate. Top it with the creamy chicken Alfredo sauce, ensuring every bit is covered. For a pop of freshness, garnish with chopped parsley. The flavors are incredible. The creamy sauce pairs perfectly with the tender chicken and al dente pasta. You have to give this recipe a try. Thank you for joining us in today's cooking adventure. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make this delicious chicken Alfredo. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more mouthwatering recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!